Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Sixtos Elite. Sixtos Elite here. My name is Sergio. I help the 9 to 5ers. I help the parents. I help the college students. If you're really just wanting to make money online, this is the channel to be on. So basically, I started off as a school teacher, did a side hustle, worked at it 1 to 2 hours a day. Little by little, the results have been amazing. The results have been amazing. I mean, I'm pretty sure you've seen some of my older videos. I hope you have. But basically, I'm spitting up free game. I'm giving out golden nuggets on how to make money online the way I did it, the correct way to do it. I see so many people doing it wrong, and I just want to help people out. That's what it's all about at the end of the day. So today, as you guys know, I do affiliate marketing. I get paid referral fees to promote other people's products. So we're going to be talking about something I have noted up here, and it's something I've been wanting to explain to people for a long time, and it's recurring commissions. I tell people all the time, the fastest way to to quit your job is to promote high ticket products that can make you $500, $1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Some people have products that could promote to make up to 10,000. But today, we're going to be going over the importance of recurring commissions, because those are important as well. Because every month you're going to go out there, you're going to be promoting a low ticket product on the front end, and on the back end, hopefully that same company that you're promoting has a high ticket. So you can be promoting a $5 product on the front. Maybe the company on the back end promotes a $1,000 one, 2,000, whatever it may be. So cool. You're going after those. You're hungry. You're charging to get those big commissions, right? That's cool. That's amazing. That's cool. That's dope. But on the same time, it would be better if you had a low ticket product that you're promoting, but at the same time, there have recurring commissions. At the same time, that company, that whoever you're partnering with, has recurring commissions. Like these two back here, they have recurring commissions. So let me give you an example of what that is. Let me get my big old head out of here. So I just typed it up in Google. A recurring commission basically is when you earn money for every purchase one of your referrals makes. So let's say you're promoting, again, I've used this example before, but you're promoting earbuds, right? Let's say the customer pays $100, $100 for these earbuds. Off that first purchase, because you referred that customer, you would make a cut. Let's say you make $10 off of this, right? Now, let's say this company actually had an upsell. Let's say this company promoted to that customer, hey, you buy these earbuds, now get a music subscription for an extra $20 a month. So if that customer were to actually get into that monthly subscription because you referred him or her, you would make a percentage of that every month that customer has that commission. And you know why this is cool? You know why I personally love the recurring? Because you don't have to do any more work. The money's just flowing. You did your homework. You promoted a product that you believed in. The customer was happy. They got that monthly subscription. Now you have a monthly commission. I mean, this is amazing, because it's honestly an unknown world that a lot of us don't know about. And these businesses have been doing it for billions. They've been doing it for decades. It's $1 billion industry. That's what I meant to say. It's $1 billion industry, and these companies have been doing it for decades and decades, and we didn't know about it. I honestly just barely found out about it a year ago. Like I said, I've only been doing the affiliate digital marketing space for about a year now, and I still don't know everything, but I keep on learning. That's the key. You just got to keep on learning. So that's what it is. This is just a clear-cut example of it, but I'm going to show you an example. Of course, I'm going to show you where I started off. I started off on ClickBank promoting some of their products, and think what you want about ClickBank. I mean, some people say it's saturated. I just like to use it as an example. This is where I started a year ago. I promoted a few of their products, made some money, made some quick money when I ran paid ads. But I like to go here because it gives clear-cut examples of recurring commissions. So I'll go into the fitness one like I usually do. I sort it by gravity because it shows what's actually selling. Now, cool. I've gone over this before in previous videos where this shows what the average customer pays and you make a commission off of that. But the focus today is recurring commissions. And as you can see here, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. On the front end, the customer will pay 151. Sorry, 151. That's how much the average customer pays. You make a percentage of that. I'll go over it real quick. If you hit promote, you make 75% of that. And again, I've gone over this in another video, so I'm not going to go too much in detail about this. But this is what we're focusing on. Recurring rebill. So Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is pretty much something to help people lose weight. It has a gravity of 355, so it's selling really well. A lot of people are buying it. If I click on here, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, it's pretty much a video. It shows you the product. And it's a monthly subscription thing. 30-day supply, 180-day, 90-day. So cool. Every month, so let me backtrack here. You make the front end commission, right? Let's say somebody does spend the 151. Let's pull out this calculator. I'm just gonna round it off, 151 minus 75%. So you would make $113. I'm just gonna keep rounding. You make 113, right? Let's say that's how much the customer pays. You make 113 off this one purchase. Now, that's cool. You made some money. The next month, if the customer keeps on with the subscription, they are going to get rebilled $34.21. So you would make another commission. All because you promoted a product you believed in one time. Let's say you did it on TikTok, Instagram, wherever you decide to promote. Maybe you ran ads, Facebook ads. The cool thing is you made money. You did the work. You put in the work an hour or two a day, like I usually tell people. You made some money on the front. Now you sit back and relax. And next month you're going to get a message saying, boom, you just made another commission without lifting an extra finger. This is the power of recurring commissions. It is something that can actually keep you and your online business alive for the long term, for years and years to come. Guys, I promoted products, educational content. That company that I partnered with had recurring commissions. At the time, I didn't know what it was. I was like, hey man, this company's cool. They helped me. They cleared up some things for me. Why don't you guys go check it out? Cool. People made purchases. I made little commissions here and there. Sometimes high ticket commissions. But I didn't realize that I was making recurring commissions at the time. I was just learning. I was just starting out. Had all my time tied up at my 9 to 5, but I was still doing this. So every month I started seeing, I'm like, wait, this customer bought again? Or this person that I referred bought again? Like, what is it? It was a monthly subscription. So every time that person was subscribed, I was making $18 from that product that I had promoted. That is what's cool about it. I mean, if you you could just go here at Google, recurring commission affiliate programs. You just got to do your homework. I mean, pick a program within your niche, whether it's money, whether it's fitness, whether it's relationships. You just got to do your homework. That's it. You just have to do your homework and research. If you still don't know how to do any of this, guys, the link's down below. It's a 3-step system. It shows you how to set this up within a week, literally 1 to 2 hours a day. So if you work full time, you can still do it. It's possible. You just have to really just get it in your head that you want to get started. This is a real opportunity. I'm telling you firsthand from somebody who's been scammed before. This is real. It's not get rich quick, so you just got to put in the work 1 to 2 hours a day. So you learn how to find the products. You learn how to put it together correctly. I've explained it before as well in my other videos, but yeah, you know what I'm getting to. You just have to do the homework. You just have to actually find recurring commissions. You can even put high ticket recurring ones. Remember, high ticket was the ones that give you 500, 1,000, 2,000 commissions. So check it out down below. There's that link to show you that. And the cool thing is, If you were to sign up for that training, you can actually become an affiliate for them if that's what you like, and they offer a recurring commission as well as a high ticket. So if you're still lost on where to promote, you can go check that out down there. Learn the system. You can even promote the same thing if that's what you want to do. If you felt it was right for you, if you feel it could benefit other people, that is something that you can do. Or you can go off and go into another niche. It's up to you. It's up to you guys. Just spitting out some free game here. Just spitting out some free game. I've honestly never heard of these companies. Maybe you have. But yeah, like Active Campaign. Active Campaign is a autoresponder. I did a video about that the other day. It's a email autoresponder. You get 20 to 30% recurring commission every month as long as somebody subscribed. Builder All. That's a nice one too, 30%. A lot of these softwares get response. ConvertKit, these are autoresponders. They're recurring. Somebody or a company needs to use those every single month to be up and running. So if you were the one to recommend it, you would make those commissions every single month. You get what I'm saying here, guys? Every month it's going to keep paying you no matter what. That's the power of it. That's the beauty of this. And again, you just got to do your homework. ClickFunnels right here. Boom. This is one of the best ones right there. ClickFunnels. If you were to partner up with ClickFunnels, you could make up to 40% recurring commissions every month. Every single month. So, just going to go back over here to give you an example. I mean, $34. Calculator. Let's say that customer kept this product for 12 months. That's $408 right there. You make the front end commission plus, you see what I'm saying? The power of it is without you lifting a finger, you just promoted the product one time. So, guys, again, if you haven't already subscribed, because I'm spitting out some free game right here. I'm putting out gold nuggets for you to actually succeed online. This is stuff that took me forever to learn, but I'm doing it to help you guys out too. So if you still don't know where to start, that link's down below for the training. Again, you can actually partner with them and be an affiliate if that's something you want to do. There's a recurring commission. There's a high ticket product in there too. So check it out. And if you would like my hands-on mentorship where I guide you, I hold you by the hand, I hold you by the hand. If you want that, I also have a link down there below. I work with a group of people. I show them exactly what I do. I show them the exact products I promote so that they can go on and do it themselves if that's what they want to replicate. If they want to replicate my online business while getting the strategies to expand even further, I do that as well in my hands-on mentorship. So check that out. If you like this video, if you found it beneficial, please drop a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I really do appreciate you watching these videos, guys. It really feels awesome to have people watching these videos to tell me that they find it beneficial, because YouTube it was a new territory for me, and it's awesome to hear your feedback that what I'm doing is actually working for you. I really do appreciate it, guys. So take care, and I'll see y'all later.